Have you ever known the English words but still stayed silent?
Yeah, all the time.
You want to speak, but your mind freezes.
Exactly.
Then today's episode is for you, because today we're learning real English, the English people actually use every single day. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, everyone.
Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and remember something important today. You do not need perfect English to speak English.
I think many people need to hear that.
Yes, because so many learners think, I need more grammar, I need more vocabulary, I need confidence first. But honestly, real speaking starts with simple, daily sentences.
The sentences we actually use in normal life?
Exactly. Not textbook English, not robotic English, real-life English. The kind you use at home, at work, with friends, in shops, on calls, everywhere.
Good, because sometimes I learn difficult English online, but then in real life, I still don't know what to say.
That happens to many learners. You know a lot, but your brain cannot use it quickly. So today, we'll make English feel natural, slowly, calmly, together.
Can I tell you something embarrassing?
Of course.
Last week, I went to a cafe,
Okay.
and the worker asked me, "What would you like?" And suddenly, my brain stopped working.
Oh no.
I knew English, I knew the words, but I got nervous. And then I said, "Coffee, give me." And after that, I felt so bad.
Omar, listen carefully. That moment does not mean your English is bad. It means you are learning. Really? Yes. Children also make mistakes when learning language. The important thing is you tried. And honestly, your sentence still communicated something.
That actually makes me feel better.
Good, because fear is the biggest problem for beginners. Not grammar, not pronunciation. Fear. Okay, let's start with a very common sentence. How's your day going?
Oh, yes, people say this everywhere.
Exactly. It means, how are things today? Very natural, very friendly. For example, how's your day going? And you can answer, it's going well. It's good. It's been busy. I'm tired today. Pretty good.
Wait, what about "I'm fine"?
You can say it, but in real conversations, people usually answer more naturally, like, I'm okay. Pretty good. A little stressful today.
Ah, so real English sounds more relaxed.
Exactly. Now, everybody listening, repeat after me slowly. How's your day going?
How's your day going?
One more time.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
You know, sometimes people ask me what happened, but nothing serious happened. I'm just tired.
Perfect sentence. I'm just tired. Simple, natural, useful. For example, why are you so quiet today? I'm just tired.
That sounds so real.
Because it is real. And notice something important. Simple English sounds powerful. You do not need difficult words.
This reminds me of a story. A few years ago, I met a woman at a bus stop. She was learning English. Very shy, very nervous. And she told me something I never forgot. She said, I understand English, but I feel invisible when people speak.
Wow.
And honestly, that broke my heart a little. Because language is not only words, it's connection. It's feeling included. It's feeling human.
Yeah. When you can't speak, you sometimes feel small.
Exactly. So I asked her to practice only 5 daily sentences every day. Not 50, just 5. Simple sentences like, "How was your day?" "I'm sorry I'm late." "Can you help me?" "I don't understand." "See you tomorrow." And after 2 months, she came back smiling.
Really?
Yes. And she said, "Now I'm not silent anymore."
That's powerful.
Because confidence grows from small wins, not perfection.
Okay, this one happens to me daily. Someone speaks fast, and I understand nothing.
Very normal. So instead of panicking, say, "I didn't catch that."
Oh, that sounds polite.
Very polite. It means, "I didn't hear or understand." You can also say, "Can you say that again? Could you repeat that? Sorry, I missed that."
This is already more useful than many textbooks.
Because these are survival sentences, real life sentences. Now repeat after me. "I didn't catch that."
I didn't catch that.
Again.
I didn't catch that.
Again.
I didn't catch that.
Can I ask something honestly?
Always.
Why do beginners feel scared, even when they know some English?
Because speaking feels personal. When you make mistakes in math, people forget. But when you make mistakes speaking, you feel exposed.
Yes, exactly.
And many learners think, if I make one mistake, people will judge me. But most people are not judging you. Most people are just listening. And honestly, many native speakers also make mistakes.
Really?
Of course. Sometimes they forget words. Sometimes they speak incorrectly. Sometimes they pause awkwardly. Human conversation is messy, not perfect.
That actually removes some pressure.
Good. Because fear blocks learning. Calmness helps learning. Okay, next sentence. I'll text you.
Super common.
Yes, it means I will send you a message. Examples. I'll text you later. I'll text you the address. I'll text you tonight.
Can I say, I will message you?
Yes, totally fine. But I text you sounds more natural in daily life. Repeat after me. I'll text you later.
I'll text you later. Oh, I know this one.
Tell us.
I'm on my way.
Perfect. It means I'm coming. For example, where are you? I'm on my way.
I use this sentence even when I'm still at home?
Omar, that is dangerous.
I know.
But yes, this sentence is extremely useful, and native speakers use it all the time.
Okay, everyone. Now let's talk about common mistakes. Not to shame you, but to help you sound more natural.
Please help me too. I am go to market.
Better, "I am going to the market." Or, "I'm going to the market."
She don't like coffee.
Correct? She doesn't like coffee.
I very tired.
Correct? I'm very tired. Never forget the am.
He say me hello.
Correct? He said hello to me. Or simply, he said hi.
Honestly, these mistakes feel very normal.
Because beginners naturally translate from their own language. That's okay. Do not hate yourself for mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Here's another useful sentence. That makes sense.
Meaning, now I understand?
Exactly. For example, we need to leave early because traffic is bad. That makes sense.
Oh, I like this one. Sometimes I say, that makes no sense to myself when studying grammar.
Honestly, same.
English grammar at 2 a.m. feels illegal.
Especially spelling. Why is knife written with a K?
Exactly. English is fighting everybody.
Okay. Next, it depends. Very useful. For example, do you like coffee? It depends.
Depends on what?
Exactly. Maybe the mood, the weather, the time. It means the answer changes. Repeat after me. It depends.
It depends. Can I share a story too?
Please do.
My first English phone call was a disaster.
Oh no.
I was shaking. And when the person said, "Hello, how can I help you?" I forgot every English word I ever learned.
That panic is real.
Then I suddenly said, "Please wait, my English is small." And the crazy thing is, the person became super kind. They spoke slowly, they helped me, and after the call, I realized something. People usually appreciate effort.
That is such an important lesson. Many learners imagine worst case situations, but real life is often kinder. One sentence every learner must know. Can you help me? Simple, powerful, important. Examples: can you help me with this? Can you help me find this address? Can you help me understand?
I think beginners are scared to ask for help.
Yes, but asking for help is strength, not weakness. Can we talk directly to the listeners for a moment?
Yes.
If you are listening right now and you feel embarrassed about your English, please hear this carefully. Your accent is okay. Your slow speaking is okay. Your mistakes are okay. You are learning something difficult, and you are brave for trying.
Honestly, some people watching this probably stay silent every day because they feel afraid.
I know. Maybe at work. Maybe at school. Maybe in public places. But your voice matters. Even broken English can create connection. Even simple English can change your life.
That's true.
Do not wait to become perfect before speaking. Speak while learning. That is how confidence grows.
Sometimes people ask me questions too quickly.
Then use this sentence. Let me think. It gives your brain time. Very natural. For example, what do you want to eat? Let me think.
Oh, that's useful for nervous people.
Exactly. You don't need to answer immediately. Pausing is normal. Okay, everyone. Now it's practice time. Do not just listen. Speak with us, even quietly. Ready?
Let's do it.
How's your day going?
It's going well.
I didn't catch that. Can you repeat that? I'm on my way.
I'll be there soon.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Let me think.
Take your time.
Amazing. And listen carefully. If speaking feels uncomfortable right now, that is normal. Comfort comes later. Practice comes first.
Oh, this sounds professional.
Yes.
and very warm. I really appreciate it. Meaning, thank you. I value your help. Examples. Thanks for helping me. I really appreciate it.
That sounds kind.
Exactly. English is not only language. It's energy. Tone matters. Kindness matters. Here's a friendly phrase. No worries. Meaning, it's okay. Sorry I'm late. No worries.
Native speakers use this constantly.
Yes. Very natural.
You know something strange?
What?
When English feels simple, it actually feels easier to remember.
Because language is emotional. We remember what feels real, not what feels robotic. That's why conversations help more than memorizing giant word lists. This sentence is emotional, but important. I'm just trying my best. Whoa, I felt that. Because many learners feel pressure. Pressure from family, from society, from themselves. But listen, learning takes time. You are allowed to learn slowly.
Can I say something to the listeners too?
Please.
If you've been learning English for months or years and still feel insecure, don't quit. Seriously. One day, you will suddenly understand a full conversation. One day, you will answer without fear. One day, English will feel natural.
Yes. And that moment starts with simple daily practice. Not perfection. Not pressure. Just practice. Little by little. Day by day. Sentence by sentence. Okay, quick practice before we end. Repeat after us. Ready?
How's your day going? I'm just tired. I didn't catch that. I'll text you later. I'm on my way. That makes sense. It depends. Can you help me? Let me think. I really appreciate it. No worries. I'm just trying my best.
How's your day going? I'm just tired. I didn't catch that. I'll text you later. I'm on my way. That makes sense. It depends. Can you help me? Let me think. I really appreciate it. No worries. I'm just trying my best. And that's it for today's episode.
Honestly, this felt more like talking with friends than studying.
That's the goal. Because English should feel human. Not scary, not cold. Human.
If today's episode helped you even a little, please keep practicing these sentences in real life.
Use them at home, with friends, at work, in front of the mirror, anywhere. Small practice creates big confidence.
And remember, you do not need perfect English to start speaking.
You just need courage, and one sentence at a time. Thank you so much for being here with us today.
Take care, everyone.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.